Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Quattro cheese ramen, a creamy and incredibly satisfying dish. This recipe transforms simple instant noodles into a gourmet experience with a rich, cheesy sauce. We'll combine 4 distinct cheeses with a touch of milk to create a luxurious texture. Get ready to elevate your ramen game with this easy-to-follow, step-by-step guide to a truly delicious meal. First, let's get our ramen noodles ready. Bring about 500 milliliters of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Carefully add your instant ramen noodles and let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are just tender. Once cooked, drain most of the water, leaving behind roughly 100 milliliters in the pot. This small amount of water will help create our creamy sauce. Now for the star of the show, the cheese sauce. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 100 milliliters of milk along with your ramen seasoning packet. Next, add 20 grams of shredded mozzarella, 15 grams of shredded cheddar, 10 grams of grated Parmesan, and 5 grams of cream cheese. Stir continuously and gently until all the cheeses have completely melted, creating a wonderfully smooth and thick sauce that coats the noodles beautifully. Your Quattro cheese ramen is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the hot, cheesy noodles into a serving bowl. For an extra touch of freshness and a slight kick, you can garnish your ramen with some freshly chopped green onions or a dash of black pepper. Serve it immediately to savor the incredible creaminess and rich flavors. This dish is perfect for a comforting and indulgent meal anytime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.